In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase background in GIMP. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to remove a background using the Fuzzy Select tool, so you can isolate your subject and get a clean, transparent backdrop. First, open your image inside GIMP. Head to the File menu at the top, choose Open, and then select the photo you want to work with. Give it a moment to load, and once it's on your screen, you're ready to make your selection. Next, we'll switch to the Fuzzy Select tool. You can find it by going to Tools, then Selection Tools, and choosing Fuzzy Select. If you prefer shortcuts, pressing the U key activates it immediately. This tool selects areas based on color similarity, which makes it perfect for grabbing large chunks of a background, especially if that background is a solid or mostly consistent color. Now let's select the background. With the Fuzzy Select tool active, click directly on the background area of your image. You'll see a dotted outline around the region it captures. If the selection is too small or misses parts of the background, look for the threshold slider in the tool options and drag it slightly to the right to include more similar colors. If it's grabbing too much and bleeding into your subject, bring the threshold down to keep the selection tighter. Take a moment to experiment by clicking different parts of the background. Sometimes choosing a spot that represents the average color of the background gives you the cleanest selection. If a click doesn't give you what you want, simply undo and try again with a different threshold or a different area. Once you're happy with the selection around your background, it's time to remove it. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. In most cases, you'll see a checkerboard pattern appear where the background used to be. That checkerboard indicates transparency, meaning the background is gone and your subject is isolated. If you notice tiny halos or harsh edges after deleting, consider stepping back and fine-tuning your threshold before you press Delete again. Small adjustments at this stage can make a big difference in how natural the edges look. That's the entire process. Open your image, activate the Fuzzy Select tool, click to select the background and fine-tune the threshold, then press Delete to remove it. With a little practice choosing the right area and threshold, you'll be able to erase backgrounds in GIMP quickly and cleanly.